Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I'm your host James. Today is going to be awesome. We're doing some shrimp, fried shrimp, and air fried shrimp in the Power Air Fryer Oven Elite. It's going to turn out amazing. So there's nothing more to say. Let's go ahead and get right into the cook. All right, here is what we got. These shrimp are a 26 to 30 count. This is what they are. They've already been deveined, deshelled, everything. They just have the tails on. So that's what we got. And it's super simple. All we're gonna do right now is just go ahead and season them up with whatever you like. I just got a little bit of Slap Your Mamas for some Cajun stuff, some garlic salt, and that new stuff that Zatarain's black, and I like it. So we're just gonna season these up real quick. All right, we are all done seasoning. That's what we got. Everything's got some seasoning on it. And from here, it's super simple. Let's go ahead and get the flour. Okay, so we got our mixture here. It's actually, it's a half a cup of all-purpose flour and a quarter cup of cornstarch. And we're gonna go in with a, what is it? This will be a quarter tablespoon of black pepper, a quarter tablespoon of some Slap Your Mama, and a quarter tablespoon of garlic, and the Zatarain's as well. Let's go ahead and get all this in here. All right, we have our flour mixture. It has all the seasonings and everything mixed up. Now let's go ahead, and I got 1 egg whisked here. We're gonna add that. Let me show you how to do that in just a second. Okay, just grab yourself a bowl. Any bowl will work as long as it fits. Got your shrimp. Dump your shrimp in there. We only got 13 shrimp here, so not too many, but anyway, that 1 egg whisked. Go ahead and dump that egg in there. Now you can use gloves if you want. I just go in. I'm gonna mix these up just like this and get them all mixed, just like that. All the flavor infused, just like that. We'll bring it back and dump them in the flour. Okay, we got our flour mixture here. We got our shrimp here. Oh, there it is. And that's just that 1 egg beaten with all the seasoning. And simply just take them out like this and transfer them right in to our mixture. Remember, half a cup of flour, quarter cup of cornstarch, all the seasonings we put in there and stuff. Should turn out phenomenal with that egg in there. All right, so now what we're gonna do is put a lid on this. And give it a good shake. All right, after you're done shaking, you should come up with some stuff that looks just like that. Yes, it's gonna be amazing. All right, let's get into the attachment we're gonna use for the air fryer today. Okay, this is the attachment we're using today. It's the bucket, or whatever you want to call it, for the Power Air Fryer Oven Elite. All non-stick, awesome. So, all we're gonna do is simply transfer, here is our shrimp, and transfer these right in there. Okay, so we got them in here, and that's what they look like, and probably fit 5 or 6 in there, but I just want to try this out in here. Now you can absolutely do these on the regular air fryer racks. I just wanted to give this a shot and see what it is. Before we stick it in, I got some vegetable oil here. I'm gonna just give this a quick spray. Just a little bit to coat it. And the reason why, shrimp cooks fast. I want these things to crisp up. So we're done here. Let's go to the air fryer. Okay, we're at the air fryer. Super simple. Open it up. Oh, we're sliding around, so what we got anyway. Just stick them right in there. And make sure the handle part is sticking out here, because we have our handle that we could put in there to take them out. So that, go ahead and close it. We're gonna be doing these at 390, and we're gonna give it 10 minutes, and we'll check it in 10 minutes. Okay, there is 10 minutes. Let's see what we got. Kind of interested myself to see what's going on. Okay. Well, they're just looking like shrimp right now. Not looking too crispy at all, but you know what? It takes time. That's 10 minutes. Let's go ahead and pop it in for another 10 minutes. Okay, we're gonna pop them in for another 10 minutes. $3.90. 10 minutes. We'll see you then. Okay, so we're another 10 minutes in. Let's take a look and see what we got. I'm wondering if the shrimp is not overcooked, but it's looking decent. So let me check the bottom of the shrimp. Okay, so the bottom of the shrimp, the flour is still will flour. So with this attachment, we're gonna have to flip these over and give them a spritz, and I say another few minutes and they'll be done. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip these over and put them back in. Okay, so I flipped them all over and spritzed them, and they look like they're already cooked, right? But they were all flour on this side, so I flipped them all over and spritzed them with a little bit of vegetable oil. Well, there you go. Anyway, I'm gonna put them back in here and close this thing up. And we will go at $3.90 again for 5 more minutes. And we should be good. We'll see you in 5 minutes. Okay, that was the last 5 minutes we put it in. Let's see what we got. Right here, sizzling. Ooh. And I see goodness. Yes. All right. Well, actually, can't really see it. Let's go ahead and take over to the cutting board, and we'll see you there. All right, we're finished with the cook. And I know I usually take you to the cutting board first, but I started eating these dang things. There's only 13 of them. They're crispy. They're good. They're awesome. Look at that one. Ooh-wee. Nice. And anyway, I just want to say that I was worried about doing the shrimp because shrimp cooks really fast, 390 degrees, 25 minutes, but they turned out phenomenal. I mean, I got here some sweet chili sauce. Crispy, delicious. Yeah, that's good. So, you know, give it a shot. You know, next time I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna maybe try it on the air fryer racks. You know, see if I can do, you know, 20, 30 at a time or whatever. This is just kind of to see how they turned out in that basket. So, they turned out amazing, absolutely. But if you're new to the channel, you know, please think about subscribing if you like the content. Make sure to drop a comment on this video, especially if you have a Power Air Fryer Oven Elite. There's a certain way that you do your shrimp. I would love to hear from you as well. And with that being said, we'll catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.